Ninth one, write a NumPy program to create an empty and full array. Okay, how to create an empty and full array using empty function and full function. Okay, simple. See, NumPy array empty. Okay, and full function. I will explain in 1 minute. Just check the output now. Here, this is a first array is an empty array. Second one is a full array. Okay, full array nothing but the first parameter is the rows and columns. Okay, first parameter 3, 4 is rows are 3, columns are 4, and 5 is the number, fill number here. Okay, fill value here. Observe shape like, fill value any, d type none, order like. Okay, it returns a new array of given shape and type. Okay, the full function returns a new array of given shape and type filled with fill value. 5 value we filled here, that filled here. Okay, parameters here, returns nd array. Okay, that's about the full function. Check the empty function here. Empty function have to return empty, but here some values have to return. See, because here see, empty unlike zeros does not set the array values to 0 and may therefore be marginally faster. On the other hand, it requires a user to manually set all the values in the array. It should be used with caution. Okay, by default Python interpreter only just assign the values, but naturally it's an uninitialized. Okay, these empty function values are uninitialized. Okay, so if you execute the output again, so other numbers sit here. Okay, 0.06, so like that. Okay, by default, because if you write a 0 function, it will with zeros. Okay, if you empty function, it doesn't fill empty, but it some numbers it will with 0.31 like that. Okay, but but those are uninitialized. Okay, uninitialized variables, so you can fill values there in empty function and the full function here. Okay, using np. See, np has so many functions here. Okay, you can explore if you want it. Okay, this is np dot absolute add, docstring, close, broadcast, so many methods and the functions are there, variables are there. So I will only discuss some important of this one. You can explore if you want it. Okay, what is row stack? If it, so because definitions are there here. Suppose if you take empty here, what's empty do is here. See, empty. What's the parameters? What's the parameters it take? What's the return type? Parameters it takes the shape and fill type and returns type nd array. Okay, some examples also given here. Okay, you can check like that. Okay.